Hey guys, this is Kaustav, your friend from Gurgaon. How do you feel going back to your hometown after 6 months? And why? Because of the country-wise, nation-wise lockdown. Today, 29th May 2020, the time now is 3:35 a.m. I'll be traveling from Delhi to Kolkata, my hometown. Although the flight services in domestic sector started from 25th of May, however, due to the devastating cyclone in Calcutta, they deferred it for 2 days. When I was planned to travel on 25th, but that was deferred to 29th May. Today is Friday, and I am all ready to start. So, before we start, few advisories. What you need to do. First of all, always try at this point of time, refrain from booking tickets from any travel aggregators. You know what I mean. Always always book it from airlines website or airlines app. Every airlines, all the reputed airlines were operating in domestic sector in India, they have their own apps. Correct? So you can just download it, because what happens, this app aggregators, they don't show the updated list. You will see a flight missing there, but actually you come to their website, flights website, you can see those flights reflecting there. Number one. Number two, don't depend on any hard copies. Please ensure you do check-in. Mandatorily you do web check-in, because in the airport all you have to do is show the soft copy of the boarding pass. It should come on your email, or if you are doing it from the app, it can directly download it from the app and show it to that person. Carry your identity proof as usual. Do the self-help declaration online. And one more thing, if you are in India and you are traveling within India, please ensure that you have installed your Arogya Setu app. Right? One more thing, if you are carrying a baggage, so in most cases, hand baggages are not allowed, and it's only laptop baggages. There's one check-in baggage, which is I think it will be 20 kg allowance, and one laptop bag. When I'm carrying that, you want to see? Can I show you? Let me see if I can show it to you. My camera is literally working weird now. Let me show you. Can you see? Like this. So here, if you have to apply your baggage tag, take a piece of paper, write your name, your PNR, your flight details, paste it on your baggage. Good to go? Alright. This is one piece of information. Secondly, finally, mandatory. If you don't wear it, you're not allowed. Always book a cab if you're traveling by cab. Book it from a reputed cab app cab, so that they pick you up. So my flight is at 7:15 p.m. It's Vistara Airlines, and I'm waiting for my cab to come. So I'll try to cover each and every bit of this journey. Few on video where videos are not allowed, I'll try to take snaps and I'll complete the video. Stay tuned with me. Let's start the journey. Wish me all the best. The first thing you have to do is that you have to stand in a queue. Now remember, in Delhi Terminal 3, there are different airlines has different gates. Now it's not that just it's not like you can get into, get through any of the gates like we used to do earlier. So get that information. So for example, for your information, Vistara is operating from gate number 1 and 2 only. So first you have to sanitize all your bags, your check-in baggage and as well as your hand baggage. Followed by you have to show your boarding pass. Okay, you have to take a printout of your boarding pass. The e-boarding pass is not working actually. So it's the this particular kiosk is there just outside the check-in counter. So you can take out a boarding pass, show the boarding pass along with your ID card. In front of a screen, the security guard would be there. So once you are through, there's one person who will do your thermal scanning. After you are done with the thermal scanning, just show him the Arogya Setu app that you are safe. Then you can get in. Okay, so before you drop your baggage, so there is a dedicated kiosk wherein you have to take out your baggage tag. It's very simple process. Okay, so that can be done. You put the tag and you put the baggage tag. Trust me, this is the first time I'm doing this. Now I understand how difficult it is to work in an airline. Oh my god, the protocol is different. It's totally different. Okay, so once you are done, so you proceed. You drop the baggage, drop your check-in baggage to the self-check-in, baggage drop counter. Proceed to security check. Security check is almost same, not much of difference. So I've just completed my security check, and I'm just proceeding to, this is the lounge. So I won't be going to lounge, but I am a bit hungry. So let me see if I can grab something. Okay, I'll get back to you soon. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So my refreshments, my rest, everything is done. So I am near the check-in gate. Boarding gate. Okay. One good piece of information is that Vistara has started his first Dreamliner. They have got their first Dreamliner. It was delivered to them in February 2020, and it's the day 2 we will be traveling in the same aircraft. Just for the people who doesn't know what a Dreamliner is basically an international category of flight wherein you have 333. Apart from that, there are other facilities as well. So that's one update. So still boarding is yet to be started. People are queuing up. Alright, so let's board. Once we get into the aircraft, we'll get back to with more updates. Okay.